Fletcher told him there's a city on the other side of the river. In the south there is a city of gold. My father went there with the Spaniards. He saw it.
Tremblay! Look at these, Tremblay.
Whoa! Where did you drop them? Saint-Marie?
In the forest. My secret, Tremblay.
And how do you pay the Indian trappers, Mercier?
With knives, father. With cooking pots.
With brandy, Mercier, I'm told. With brandy.
And what if there is no mission? What if your father Lafort arrives to find yet another 2 Jesuit martyrs?
We will cross that bridge when we come to it.
Not we. It is Father Lafort who must cross it. Has he journeyed far from this settlement? Even in good weather?
No. He has been studying the Algonquin and Huron languages. He is dedicated and devout.
Of course.
You and I have been on these journeys, Monsieur Champlain. To the lake of the Hurons, to the rivers of Maine, and now...
Now we are too old.
Perhaps the younger men are more suited.
Perhaps. Perhaps not. "1,500 miles by canoe in that country at the beginning of the winter. Death is almost certain, Father Borg.
Death is not always a great evil, Monsieur Champlain.
God should have made me a Jesuit. You have answers for everything. He must paddle with them 12 hours a day, or they will not respect him. He must smile and not show anger. He must carry a pack animal's load on his back as they do.
The journey, like our lives, is in God's hands.
Look at them. The English and Dutch have colonists. We have priests.
Who'd want to bring a woman here? And have kids running half wild in the woods?
We're starving in the winter.
Good afternoon, Father.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Father.
Do you think they're going upriver? Who cares? As long as I'm not going. Leave the forest to the savages.
Remember that priest who came back like that?
It was the Iroquois. They caught him.
That's just fingers. You could lose something more useful.
Intuitan, Thomas, your Captain Clark, Zimo.
Gio. Chiwakyo Kuyat Machika. Daniel, why do you want to accompany Father Laforgue?
For the greater glory of God.
Indeed. I am told you are bored in this settlement.
Sometimes a little. To come all this way and just build huts.
I understand. You can read and write?
Yes, Father. I was taught by my uncle who was a priest in Tua.
Shikstunayawimin.
Gibanuda. He speaks it more fluently than I do.
If we send you, and if, when you return, you could go to France to study for the priesthood, would that please you, Daniel?
Yes, Father.
Dong! Captain Clock! Captain Clock!
These are our fathers. They are soldiers of heaven. They left their friends and their country to show you the way to paradise.
Kia! Kinikitumch! Utsimowao! Abuaptidaguch! Jishuguyo!
Chomina, I commend to your care Father Laforgue, who is journeying into the land of the Hurons. Love and honor him. Guard him well.
him, dressed like a savage chieftain.
We're not colonizing the Indians, they're colonizing us.
Not me, they're not. I'm not becoming one of those wild woodsmen. In one more year, I'm going back to France.
Are you? Are any of us? If the winter doesn't kill us, the Indians might. If they don't, it could be the English. So keep your faith, and may death find you with God in mind.
Benedicat vos, omnipotens Deus, Pater, Filius, et Spiritus Sanctus.
Amen. Amen.
Magito!
Dominus vobiscum.
Good morning. You are? You're to serve my mass. I'm the priest from New France. The savages did this to me.
The Indians? Why?
They are uncivilized, just as the English or Germans were before we took our faith with them. In a few weeks, I will be returning.
Returning to New France?
The savages live in outer darkness. We must convert them. What more glorious task than that? What more glorious task